Welcome to Horology Headline News, your fastest source of information on new watches. Today we look at the three premier Baume&Mercier Riviera sport watch references, Sea, Sky, and Rock. The Riviera Sea 10761 utilizes a rare tidograph complication which can track the tide pattern. It is in addition to regular baumatic movement with a 5 days power reserve. The case is 43 millimeters wide, and the watch is available on an integrated rubber strap. It is a limited edition of 500 pieces, and the price is €5,800. The Riviera Rock 10769 is a three-hander with a date. Its 42 millimeter case combines titanium with blue PVD coating. The movement is partially visible through a blue sapphire dial, paired with gold indices and hands. The watch is water-resistant up to 100 meters. The price is €5,100, and the availability is not limited. The warranty can be extended up to 8 years. At the top, there's Riviera Sky 10786. In a compact case, only 40 millimeters wide and just 11.8 millimeters thick. It houses a baumatic movement with perpetual calendar and a moon phase complication. Set it once and forget about correcting the date unless the watch runs out of power. There's just 50 of those available, while the price is an eye-watering €23,000. But look at the light play on this dial and hands.